Hi, Missy. Thank you for taking a look at the escape room, and hopefully that after this quick little video, you'll have ease of access to kind of navigate what you need to, change what you need to, and hopefully your kids enjoy it. Mine do, just for something a little bit different. So what I'm going to show you real quick is two different ways you can go about this. I'm going to use just kind of an old pre-calc one that I've done in the past. That way, if I mess it up, no harm, no foul, because it's just a copy of one. So two things you can do. One is that, as you can see here, I've got all the images down here. The first thing is if you single click on the image, you can see that right here, it'll give you a URL to wherever this picture is going to take you to. So if you want to use the images that I already have there, all you need to do is just copy and paste whatever URL you want right here into the line. But if you want to add your own pictures, so let me go ahead and let me just delete this picture. So the way that I do it, and there might be easier ways, is that I'm just going to come over here and I'm going to insert an image. And I already have a few on here, so I'm just going to select one from my Google Drive. And it doesn't really matter which one it is. Let's go ahead and go with this one. And you can obviously, resize it, click it, drag it, do whatever you need to do. So I'm just going to bring it over here. And then the nice thing is, once you click on the image, you can see here it gives you this link option. So I'm going to go to just a Google Doc that I have. So this would be where I'd want it to redirect the kids to. So I'm going to go ahead and share and copy the link. And then coming back to the image, so like I said, you can still see here that you click on it, it shows you the link, and I'm just going to paste it in there. Now, one thing that I do suggest is right here where it says edit, USB sharing. I always change that to copy. The reason being is just because that way it forces the kids to create their own unique copy whenever they click on it. So if I go ahead and hit apply, and we can publish it. And now I'll go ahead and I'll view it so I can see kind of what the kids see. View publish site. So then when I click on the image, it should ask me to make a copy. And there you go. Hopefully that helps. If something still isn't clear, just let me know. Otherwise, like I said, hopefully that gives you kind of a good insight onto adding the images and linking them to your Google Docs and everything else. Like I said, I've done it with Google Docs and slides, sheets, whatever's easiest. So if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.